Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this natural juice. So get ready for the recipe. All right. So guys, here I have a bowl of carrots and I have a cucumber and I have ginger and I have some celery. So I'm gonna get that shortly, and these are what I'm gonna use for this natural juice today. I'm gonna get the carrots ready by cleaning them up. I've already washed everything here already, so it's just to clean up the carrots to get it ready for juice to extract. Alright. One of these is easy to use to take off the outer part of the carrot so that it leaves it clean for blending or extracting. Alright. Carrots are not wonderful, but hey, it's gonna get extracted, so no need to worry about how they look right now. Bought them in the tray, and guess what? They put the worst one at the bottom so you can't see them. You just see the good ones on top, and you just say, oh, this looks good. Have a fact, some of them are good. It takes time if you want to have a good juice. It takes time. Alright guys? Yes. Take the time out and get your juice ready. They say it's better to drink your fruits and vegetables instead of eating them. And juice is very good for the body. Natural juice, no sugar. Just all natural juice, alright? So this look now, you know juice here guys, by the time you run it through the extractor, it does like a cup. Here. The juice with all these on it. Nope. Are you still there, guys? Oh, you're still there. So this cucumber can go as is with everything on it. We're just gonna clean up the ginger now. Further cleaning, stripping, peeling. Already washed. They should have a ginger peeler. I could use the seal peeler to peel the ginger. Guys, you can also use ginger powder so that you don't have to peel. Alright, let's like it now guys. So I'm going to get the celery from the fridge to make it a bit easier. Now guys, so eat this. here I have it, guys. My first juice from my new juicer. Let me taste it for you. Excellent. So rich, so natural, even sweet, and I didn't add any sweetener. So rich and natural. So because I'm the only person going to drink it, just go ahead and drink it for me. So what is in this juice? We have carrot, cucumber, ginger, and celery. Right? I get, see the amount of carrot I use, guys, and see how many juice I get? Barely. So to use the juice extractor, you will need a good amount of fruits or vegetable in order to get a good amount. Alright? So this is it, guys. My carrot cucumber juice from my extractor, my new juice extractor. So nice, so nice. And guys, as I said before, it's better to drink your juice if you don't like to eat the vegetable and the carrots and those things. Just get a little water and whip it up quick time. You have a perfect natural juice, no sugar added. Good for you. Juices are natural juice are very good for you. Alright, it's fight flu and other things it is good for. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Now guys, I'm going to have to keep forgetting. I'm going to have to wash. See? But it's all good and worth it. It's all worth it, guys. All worth it. So go ahead and try. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment and what you think about this nice natural juice that I just made. Alright? So guys, the unboxing of my new equipment is a video. You will also see it on my channel and this is a video of how to make the natural juice from it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! My natural juice, carrot and cucumber juice.